Hello everyone. We are headed to the trampoline place with the kids. It's downstairs. We're headed to the trampoline with the kids. They need to get some energy out. But let me tell you. Let me tell you, they just slapped my butt. My tooth is killing me. So I had to take a pill, a pain reliever, but like strong one. And I'm like, whew, this is why I don't like taking medicine, because I feel so high right now. But I'm trying to, you know what? You know you're a true coffee lover and a true mom who loves coffee. You know you're true at that. When your tooth hurt, you take a pain reliever just so you can have a cup of coffee. Daddy brought me a cup of coffee. Daddy brought me a cup of coffee this morning on his way home, and I was like, oh my God, thank you, but my tooth is killing me. So it sat there, and I was like, you know what? I really need this cup. I'm about to take this pain reliever and wait till it like kicks in, and then try to enjoy this cup. So that's what I'm trying to do on this car ride to the place. But let me tell you, honey, my mouth is killing me, okay? Killing me. I feel like tooth pain is the worst pain. It really is. It's like almost near to birth, for real. For me, like I be crying like a baby. And I have bad teeth. Like I have bad teeth. Then I had, you know, guys, if you don't have any kids, if you're watching me and you don't have any kids, take care of your teeth now, because when you have children, your teeth will just get bad, okay? The babies take a lot of calcium. These little humans here take a lot of calcium out your teeth. So just take care of your teeth, guys. In general, take care of your teeth. It's important. It's important. All right, guys. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Lala. Hi and welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. Do me a favor, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And to all my oldies but goodies, what's up, y'all? And yeah, welcome to my life.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
The Beehive. I don't know if you guys have watched me from the beginning. I have a vlog on here where we went here for my friend Vivian's baby girl's birthday, and the kids really loved it and they enjoyed it. So instead of doing a trampoline place, we decided to just come here. Because it's like a mixture of little kid, baby, and big boy. So Liam is loving himself. Yes, we're in the game room. Oh, right here. Let's go right here.
Let it ride. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away.
Looks so dirty with
Should
that
I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us all tonight. restless mind, and now I won't let go.
So I decided to just go to the other side. The other side is a thrifting store, so I decided to just see what was over here, and I actually found a good braiding spot. So I found another braiding spot for me. The lady was very nice. She gave me her business card, so I probably will be coming back to get my braids. Me and Daddy have a Miami trip coming up, so I definitely want some lemonade long braids for that trip. They also have like a corner store. It was really nice, guys. They had like different boutiques, just different things. And then in the back of the store, it was like a Salvation Army thrift. And it was really, really, really nice, guys. I didn't pick up anything because I didn't have enough time, but I wanted to look through the store just to see what they had. I may have to come back and go thrifting and bring you guys along. So I just decided just come in here, look around, vlog a little bit, and then I'm gonna head back to the party. Well, not really a party, but go get back to the kids. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video.
Down, I'm gonna take control. We're gonna make a big sound. We're gonna break them mold, them mold. Baby, ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got.
Well, guys, that's it for this video. We really did enjoy ourselves. I'm going to end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in another vlog. Bye.